Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Slack token. We'll start by understanding what Slack tokens are and why they are essential for integrating with the Slack platform. Then, I'll guide you through a simple, easy method to generate your very own token. Finally, we'll cover important tips for managing and securing your tokens to keep your integrations safe and sound. Let's dive right in. Slack offers a few different token types, each designed for specific purposes. User tokens, for instance, allow your application to act on behalf of a specific user. Bot tokens are perfect for creating automated bots that interact within your workspace. Lastly, workspace tokens offer broader administrative access. Choosing the correct token type is crucial for your application's functionality and security. Generating a token is quite simple. First, head over to the Slack API website and log into your workspace. Next, create a new Slack application and give it a clear, descriptive name. Then, you'll add the specific permissions or scopes that your app needs. Finally, install your newly configured app to your workspace, and your access token will be readily available for use. Securing your Slack tokens is paramount. Always store them in a safe place, never hard-coding them directly into your application's source code. It's a good practice to regularly review your active tokens and revoke any that are no longer needed or might be compromised. Using environment variables is an excellent way to manage tokens across different development and production environments, ensuring robust security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.